Welcome to Cosmic Pulse, where we feel the pulse of the universe. I'm your host, and today we're rocketing to the Red Planet to tackle a question that's fueled sci-fi epics and backyard telescope dreams. Can humans actually live on Mars? Spoiler alert, it's not like popping to the local cafe for a latte, but Mars is whispering, "Come on over." In this video, we'll unpack Mars's wild landscape, the insane challenges of setting up shop there, and the jaw-dropping tech that might make it our second home. So strap in, smash that like button, and let's launch into this Martian adventure. And stick around to tell us in the comments, would you pack your bags for Mars? Let's meet our potential cosmic neighbor. Mars, the fourth rock from the Sun, is a pint-sized planet, about half Earth's diameter, with a surface area roughly the size of Earth's landmass. Its red hue comes from iron oxide, or as I like to call it, the universe's rust bucket. It's parked 140 million miles away on average, so forget quick road trips. You're looking at a 6-month space cruise. The atmosphere, it's 95% carbon dioxide, with less than 1% of Earth's pressure. Step outside without a suit, and your lungs would say, "Nope," while your blood tries to boil. Temperatures average a bone-chilling minus 80 degrees Fahrenheit, but on a sunny Martian afternoon near the equator, you might hit a balmy 70 degrees, perfect for a spacesuit picnic. At night, though, it can drop to minus 195 degrees, so pack your thermal undies. Mars's gravity is 38% of Earth's, meaning you'd weigh less and could dunk like a pro, but your muscles might turn to jelly over time. And those two moons, Phobos and Deimos, they're less majestic orbs and more cosmic potatoes tumbling through the sky. Mars is stunning, but not exactly screaming, "Welcome home," not yet. So why aren't we sipping Martian mochas yet? The red planet's a tough landlord. First up, there's no breathable air. The atmosphere's so thin you'd need an oxygen tank just to wave hello. Water's another headache. It's mostly frozen in polar ice caps or buried underground, like hunting for buried treasure in a sub-zero sandbox. Radiation is a cosmic buzzkill. Mars lacks a magnetic field, so you're bombarded with 100 times more solar and galactic rays than on Earth. Think of it as a DNA-damaging sunburn from the universe. Dust storms are no joke either. They can blanket the planet for months, clogging solar panels and grinding gear to a halt. Low gravity, 38% of Earth's, means your bones and muscles weaken, like skipping gym class for a decade. And let's talk about the mental game. Living in a cramped habitat, 140 million miles from Earth, with 20-minute delays for a simple text. That's isolation that'd make even a hermit rethink life choices. Some astronauts might start arguing with their pet rock for entertainment. These challenges are real, but they're not deal-breakers. Humans are pretty good at solving impossible puzzles. Humans are like cosmic MacGyvers, and we're cooking up some wild solutions to make Mars livable. Habitats are the backbone. Imagine pressurized domes or underground bunkers made from Martian regolith, the local dirt, to block radiation. NASA's been playing with 3D printers to build these, because who's got room to ship a Home Depot to Mars? For air, we've got Moxie, a gadget on the Perseverance rover that turns CO2 into oxygen. It's like a mini oxygen factory, and it's already working. Water recycling, like on the International Space Station, could stretch every drop. Yesterday's smoothie becomes tomorrow's bath. Food's trickier. Martian soil has nasty perchlorates, so we'd need to clean it before growing potatoes. Hydroponics or greenhouses could work, but don't expect a 5-star salad bar. Mark Watney from The Martian made it look way too easy. Energy's a challenge with those dust storms, so solar panels need backup. Enter NASA's kilopower, tiny nuclear reactors that could power your Martian base, keeping the lights on and your space heater humming. These techs are still in the lab, but they're turning maybe into probably. Oh, and if the Wi-Fi's spotty, don't blame me. It's a long way to the router. Getting to Mars is like planning the ultimate road trip, except it's 6 to 9 months long and there's no gas station. The planets align every 26 months for the shortest route, so timing's everything. SpaceX's Starship is the rock star here, built to haul 100 people and land on Mars using retro propulsion, firing rockets to slow down because Mars's thin air laughs at parachutes. It's like landing a skyscraper with style. NASA's Artemis program is testing moon tech to prep for Mars, but SpaceX is stealing the show with reusable rockets to cut costs. Still, the price tag's in the billions, so start saving your space pennies. Radiation during the trip is a health hazard, and landing's a heart-stopper. One wrong move, and you're a Martian crater. Imagine telling your crew, "Oops, wrong turn," as you dodge cosmic rays instead of popcorn. SpaceX aims for unmanned missions by 2028, with humans maybe in the 2030s. Pack light, no checked bags allowed. Why go through all this trouble? Science is the big draw. Mars's rocks could spill secrets about ancient life. Imagine finding fossilized microbes and rewriting every biology book. Its climate and geology are like a time machine, showing us Earth's past and future. Tech spun off from Mars, like super-efficient solar panels or water recyclers, could make Earth greener. Economically, it's a stretch, but water ice could fuel rockets, and rare minerals might spark a gold rush in space. Becoming multiplanetary is the ultimate insurance policy. If Earth has a bad day, Mars could be our backup. Elon Musk calls it humanity's survival plan, though I'm still waiting for the Martian food truck scene. Plus, the bragging rights of being a two-planet species, priceless. What's cooking in 2025? NASA's Perseverance rover is sniffing out ancient life, grabbing samples for a 2030 return mission with the European Space Agency. SpaceX is firing up Starship tests, eyeing unmanned Mars trips by 2028 and crewed ones in the 2030s. Elon Musk's got a wild dream, a million-person Martian city in 20 years. Bold, sure, but he's turned crazier ideas into reality. China's Tianwen missions and the UAE's Hope orbiter are mapping Mars's secrets, while the Mars Society runs Earth-based simulations to prep for the real deal. It's a global race, and Mars is the finish line. Who's bringing the victory pizza? So, can humans live on Mars? Not yet, but we're closer than ever. The red planet's a harsh host, freezing, airless, and dustier than my attic. But with domes, oxygen makers, and Starship's rocket power, we're turning impossible into watch this space. Buzz Aldrin nailed it. Mars is there, waiting to be reached. Will we be chilling on Olympus Mons with a Martian brew someday? Bet on it. If this cosmic quest fired you up, hit that like button, share with your space nerd crew, and subscribe to Cosmic Pulse for more stellar adventures. Drop a comment. Would you sign up for Mars or stick to the warm, fuzzy comfort of Earth? Let's keep feeling the pulse of the universe.